Okay, my people, it's your boy Soup Nodere aka at the verse. And if I the verse, I dey talk anyhow. Una why done or how una dey? I don come again. Oh, my people, please, today topic is very sweet. It's going to be a fantastic topic. Before I will start, please, if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please turn up the notification anytime I drop video like this. You will be the first to receive it. Uh, Before I will start with independence, and I'm going to talk about independence and our leaders, Nigeria's leaders. Uh, Before I will start, today, they say today na independence. Na so I hear am. Oh, our leaders. Our leaders, I no understand. Come, wetin be una problem? Upon say they don even say traveler is a part of education. Upon say we don even see travel, una never still believe say we don wise. Una never still believe say we know wetin dey happen. That is the reason why this topic now is that this month I'm going to do see is believing. You know, Nigeria youth, you know say most of them they already believe of see is believing. I'm going to be doing see is believing this month. I'm going to be make I'm going to be making some videos about Europe life, how Europe are living, their roads, lights, water, everything, all their things, their business, different things, how they do it in this country. I'm going to be showing some of our youth that stay in Nigeria, so they need to see many things that go on in this country, because most of them they always hear that we normally they say Europe is that, Europe is this. So now I want to be doing some video so that they will be watching the video live and direct. You understand? Before I will start, independence na today. Independence na something wey be say many people dey even dey do cake because of independence. Many people dey even dey kill goat, dey buy cloth. Many people that time sef you go see people go paint face, different things dey go on because the day suppose to be a happy day. Because though that time many people they are celebrating independence just because we are we are proud of our country, which is Nigeria. Now we are no longer proud of our country. Rather, the country now is now proud of us when they live for the country, because the country need to be proud of us when they live for the country. E need to be proud of the masses, because e no easy to live for the country. You understand? Independence now enter online now. Nobody wear green white green. Nobody dey paint face. Nobody dey even dey gree show e face. Dey even dey let people know say e come from Nigeria, because the country, our leaders don corrupt am, don spoil am, and una no wan change. But the problem be say why I no dey quick dey talk una matter be say because una dey suffer. Una wey be leaders, make I tell una one thing, una dey suffer o. Because sometimes I dey reason say una suffer pass me. Na make me no dey quick dey reason una matter. But this month now na leaders Nigeria issue now I wan dey do. If I wan do any of my comment, na this one na just entertainment. I wan just use one dey entertain my people, my fans for Nigeria, anywhere, just to lis ten for some advice wey I wan give for here, some things that go on in Europe. See, independence na something wey be say dem dey celebrate before the proud of the country, but now the country is now proud of the people that live inside them. You understand? Now wetin carry me come wey be say e make me say yes, I need to be doing this video. Come this Europe, na country wey be say there was a road now. They are doing the road right now as I'm talking to you right now. The road, nothing do the road. The road just dey neat, normal, the way road suppose be. That is the reason why I say I will be doing some videos, some see is believing. For this month now, I will be doing some videos, see is believing. I will do live video. They show many things so that when they see how Europe take dey maintain their life, their land, their things, everything. road they peel am comot for ground, they root am, they grade am. Nothing do the road. But I ask them, wetin happen? Why did they do this place? They say the road don expire. Can you just imagine? They say the road don expire. That is why they grade am so that make they tie another one. I can't go imagine say this road wey una see don expire. If you say they fit transfer am, say they carry am go Nigeria, and this road wey they talk now na street o, no be express road o, street. I can't imagine say if you say they fit carry this road now go Nigeria, this street road now, they carry am go Nigeria, go put am for express road for Nigeria. Nigeria will fit still use that same road for the next 100 years. They no go change am. They say don expire. Come this Europe, oh God. The reason why I say I want to show some things online, make Nigerian people dey see am, make they see the way Europe be, the way leaders take dey use our head, and na dem dey call this country o. They no go fit dey carry something wey dey here, wetin dey experience for here, they no go fit carry am come Nigeria. This country wey you dey, na you go call them, tell you say water don expire. Water wey dey can as ever bottle be ever for Nigeria now, dem say e don expire. Dem pack everything go throway am just to bring new one come. Rice wey dem dey eat, dem say e don expire. Beans, dem say e don expire. Beer, dem say beer don expire. For Nigeria, who get time to check bottle of beer whether e get expiry date? I fit even tell you say na Europe I come before I know say bottle, all those things dey get expiry date. When I dey Nigeria, I no know whether those things dey get expiry date, because even Nigeria, when if you even tell Nigerian person say this thing don expire, you go tell say na that one even need. Nigeria sef na wetin expire na Nigeria na be original for Nigeria. Why like our leaders, wetin dey happen? Una matter because una sef dey suffer, because you know why? If you say una get freedom, una sef no still get freedom for the country. Una wey be leaders, una no get freedom for the country, because if you wan waka for the country now, you go enter your motor, they go dey guide you. Army go dey guide you. And if you dey come down like this, na army don follow you, because you know you sef no get, you no even still get freedom for your whole country. When be say na you be the president of the country, and you no get freedom for the country. They no born our president when I mean trek now. If you trek now, you know wetin go happen to you. Let me tell you something. Even the president of this country, Europe country, if he trek, if he even ride bicycle, you no go know say na him. Go dey ride bicycle, you no go know say na him. If he dey do anything, you go dey do as a black go come now. If na fuel dey buy for filling station now, if they buy the fuel, you go come, you go dey buy. You no go even know say na the Euro president be that. But for Nigeria, dem dey guide them, because una know say una no dey safe. Why? Because una no live well. When you live well, if you plan well and you do things well, you go dey waka well. Now when you no arrange your ground well, you no go dey waka well. You go dey waka dey dodge. You go dey waka dey look back, dey check whether they wan kill you, because you know say you yourself no safe for the same country wey be say na you dey rule am. See wetin dey happen na independence now. Nobody dey even dey post picture, dey wear, who wan wear am? Because everybody are tired of the country. You understand? Just because say una dey wicked of una sef, una just dey wicked una sef, una think say na we una dey do. No be we. Una dey do una generation, because everything una dey sow, una must reap am. Come Europe, say this one fan go expire, fan wey dey blow, they go tell you say e don expire, they go comot am. Na only even few Nigerian people, na dem still dey use all those fan wey they go tell you say na the fan na don expire, or fridge. They go say fridge don expire, fridge dey expire. Nigeria, even fridge, once fridge don spoil, e no dey block, e no dey free, e no dey even dey cold anything again. Nigeria person dey use am dey do fancy for inside room. E no dey work o, but you just put am. But come Europe now, fridge go dey there, they go dey throw away fridge. Where dem dey throw away fridge for Nigeria? Nothing. How can the people be proud of the country? No, we are not. We don't need to be proud of the country. The country need to be proud of us, because easy for we, the masses, we who dey live for the country. Easy for us. Easy for the people wey dey live for the country. Easy for people wey be say that they even dey bear the country name. Many people dey try deny their country, just as say no let them do for the Europe. You see, let people do. They deny their country. Even some Biafra, they deny their country. Say Nigeria don't be their country again. They cut their own. Why? Because of the bad leaders what we get. The reason why I tell you, I say I will be showing many things. You get video when video today, I don't need to do them. If I want to do them, I want make sure say I did do them live and direct. I will not do on live. I will show people when I will see what they happen for Europe. Europe roads never do anything. They see don't expire that they change them. You will see say street lights now. Everything they own well, but if you just corner, they'll say the date when they give and don't expire. They come out the bulb, the lamp holder, everything. They put new one. They say don't expire. When we say the light is still working, they'll say don't expire. So all those things, anytime when we say people that they work all those work like this, I will do online. They show our youth, they show our people when they Nigeria. So I mean that they see what they happen. The way Europe take they maintain their life. Even the same country now, you will see motor where they take the sweep ground. Motor they sweep road. Now motor go they sweep road, they sweep all the street, they sweep everywhere. Okay, our leaders now no fit provide those kind of motor say make that they sweep. They go they see environmental. They carry broom, outside broom, they carry this, they sweep road, express. Human being go enter express, they sweep road, they say that environmental. Environmental are not there yet. Now motor, now they clean, now they clear, now wash. One day go sweep and pass. Another one go come, they pour water, they wash the road, they tie road, so not be compound at the talk. So all those things now which I want to do this month. Aside this one, my comedy will still they go on. They already follow me on my YouTube. Soup not the rain. I dey drop video 3 times in a week. My Facebook page, I dey drop video anytime for there. That's just my comedy. But for this particular discussion, I will be here maybe 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week just to dey show our leaders, our youth and many of us. You understand? So that they know wetin dey go on for this. So we understand. And even for this same country, you will see where they sell phone, iPhone 11, different things, rituals, necklace, gold, different things. They go dey sell am, and na show grass e dey. They no put protector, nothing. Europe no dey get protector. They go put am for show grass. You go dey see am. You go dey see rituals worth 2,500 euro. You go see necklace worth 3,000 euro. You will see bicycle for here 4,000 something, 5,000 something for bicycle. For Nigeria money, almost 2 point something million for bicycle. Rituals wey dem dey tie for hand, gold. You go see am 2,800. You go dey show grass like this if you dey pass. I go do the video, una go dey see everything. You go dey show grass like this, una go dey see am. Na so e dey. Dem no dey lock am. Na so e just dey. You go sleep, day go still break. Now you go meet am there. Nobody dey carry am. See laptop, you go see am for show grass. You go dey there. If they don sell finish, dem lock door, dem comot. Na so you dey see everything. Nobody go gree thief am. If you even plan am say you wan come there go thief, if you plan am for mind as you reach there, you never even dey touch the show grass, alarm don dey blow. No security for Nigeria, nothing safe. Even I see video yesterday when be say store wey person don suffer, arrange for many years, and I know that boy, the store got burned down yesterday. Before that thing fit happen for Europe, e go hard. As e don catch fire, alarm don blow. Dem must see some things wey dem rescue for inside that store. But that store yesterday burn to ashes. You understand? So please, this video, make una share am. And any video wey I dey do like this, I beg, make una try, make una dey share am. You know why I want dey try to do this kind of video, because I was very happy for the last election. Why? Because our youth, they are now wise. You understand? If to say na before, when most of our youth never still get sense, never still know their self, I believe say na Oshomole for still win that election. But based on say now they don't know their self, they know the secret of our leaders. Once they don't stand say now Obaseki dey go now he go. So na say go still be the next election again. when we still wise, we will still know the right person. We will say, now this one I go go, he will still go. You understand? So now what are they try to do beyond this one? Because I need to bring some evidence for this country so that Nigeria people will see am. When we dey Nigeria, they will watch am, they see am. Now what will they do this week, this month? They video some things when they go on for Europe. The same country where we say our leaders will come relax. They will see all these good things, good environment, they will relax. Even where children they play, jacuzzi, different things where children they they play together. You will dey outside, free. You carry your pikin go there, go play anything. Now free there. But Nigeria no fit do am. No be say dem no dey call dey see am o, their children dey use all those things dey play o, but if dem go Nigeria dem no fit do am. For you to know say those our leaders they are very wicked because the only thing wey I don see say our leaders dey do well, for you to know say they are very wicked and dem know the right thing to do. Road dem no go fit do road well, but if e come reach filling station body say na dem wan do filling station, you never do filling station for Nigeria for your president. They go dig ground, they go dey bury granite, they bury big stone, they bury different things just because they made that place no sick, made that place no scatter, because they wan do am solid. Because na fuel they say for them, they want solid, do am solid. Okay, una sabi do that place solid, but say na business, e dey bring money. Because of the money when you wan collect, you go do that place now, you go do am solid, do the time, the time you go tie am, you go solid. Filling station, only filling station for Nigeria, na it is strong for Nigeria. They fit dey do am o. If na all those our leaders get am, maybe if na individual person get am, if fit still manage am. But if na our president, if na all those our president, all those our leaders, na dem dey do am, they go do am, they go deep everything, they go do am well. Because e dey bring money. But if you go reach people road, express road wey be say everybody dey pass, wey be say una go come, una carry police come, una say I'm here to serve Nigeria and my country. Una wan do anything, but if una wan do am, una go do am saka because no be una pikin dey pass am. Because who wan die make e pass am, make e die. Who dey like wan shock, make e shock am. Anyhow una wan take do am, just do am anyhow. Na only Nigeria you go see rain go fall, pole go fall. If rain dey fall, pole go fall. Come Europe, everything on that ground, everything. You no go see bombola for eye. Nigeria na dey rush bombola. Bombola na wetin dey take dey play. Small pikin now 10 years go carry bombola wan go fill am come. Na Nigeria, everything very dangerous. To say be the country now, to say people don dey reject am now. Even Nigeria people they are not part of the country again. Independence now, nobody know whether they do independence because they are not part of the country. The country now, no, see, no, they do themselves. You understand? Because those rituals now, we worth about 2,500 euro, a different thing when you go see for that, so all those sugars now for Europe here. The reason why you see people know they thief them, you know why? Because they make their people okay. Then they pay them, they pay their citizen, they give them accommodation, house free, everything. Once they born you as you don't grow, you go see your house where you go they live. Everything your papa already get some things you did there. They know they say I want build house, I want buy this one, I want do that one. No, they live their free life. Why they want thief? What did they want thief? Even the immigrant when even did the country black, when even did the country, they see even they make them they okay to the extent that say you know go see black say he go thief. Any black when come say he won't come bust graton make it thief something. You know say that one they do am. We know say the Europe, you know, easy for black, but you black can never thief for this country because they still they okay. They still some of them when ready to work, they see work, they work. Some when not ready to work, when they see the other side, they won't follow. They follow the other side. Most of them understand what they try to. Some when say okay, the women or girls when say now the other one they won't do anything what they like, what they want to do, they do them. Some when say they don't want to do anything, they come, they pay them, make life easy for them. Except maybe if you fuck up by yourself, if you misbehave, they tell you, they give you option. If you don't follow the option, now they would harm you. But the country now, our whole country gone. You feel leave that store like that. Not many store they bought for Nigeria. You feel leave that kind of stuff for Nigeria. I go to show on everything. You understand? So now the topic when I carry come today, now be this, and this thing I want to do, especially this month now, I want to show Nigeria people how Europe they live their life, the way that they maintain their things. You when no be say you will see person wey dey this Europe, you will see the boy don't move or you don't find finish or you don't do this one. Not be say he get money, he too get money. If you see black person wey just move, dey okay. You not be say he too get money, he get rest of mind, and make him body come out. He get rest of mind. As I dey like this, I may not have millions of naira in my account, but I look good. The reason why I look good is that because the country is well okay, it's organized. I have rest of mind. I sleep, I wake up, I no dey doubt whether thief wan come kill me. I sleep, I wake up, I no dey reason whether rain go fall now, light go shock me. I sleep, I wake up, I no dey reason whether this house you wan fall, one side wan fall, and Nigeria one side of house dey fall. Before this house, if you go fall, before you go fall, they don detect and those this house don expire. They will tell everybody say make pack. Everybody go pack. They go demolish this place, they reset am. I go even dey do. You get another building when they, if you see company, if you see houses, I nearly shed tears. They carry bulldozer called the grade house. Both the light, everything they grade am. Wetin happen? They say the house don expire. The company don expire. You know how company go big now. I go do the video. Now go see am. They demolish everything, scatter the block down, scatter the roofing. Even if Nigeria wan even scatter house, they will first come comot the roofing, they will still need to use am. This one they scatter all the roofing, everything. E don expire. Na to do another one. Na government dey do am. No be individual dey do am. Na government. So no government. Na so our leaders suppose dey work for Nigeria. Una go still dey get some things. People dey suffer for rent. Una go still dey do some things. Okay, this one na una just build. Na for orphanage, or this one wey I don build now, na all those widow wey be say they no get husband but they get 4 children. Now build house like this, that's okay. If you know say you no get husband, you get children, come stay here, make you no dey pay house rent. Una no dey fit dey do all this kind thing. Nothing wey una fit dey do. Say okay, una use this one help. Then make sometimes to vote itself, even the person wey una still vote for carry come now, e no go fit still do anything. Each state we get each state now. They also okay, this state now we get governor for this state. This governor now fit come for this state. We say okay, this state now, if you are a widow, we don build this thing. If you are a widow and your age is already so like this, when we say you no go fit dey work again, not be young girl wey be say you go fit still remarry. Young girl fit still remarry for from 70 years or 50 years, you no go fit remarry again, and you get 2 children, you no get husband again. Okay, this house now wey I just build now, one room, make una come take am, una no go dey pay house rent. Each state now, governor for each state don fit do all those things. Or they do am. If you when you do reach, another person come enter do am. Nothing. But for here now, all those things dey. They will see characters. With everything dey. Just to survive. Na only the money, just to make the money for our whole country, just to make the money for here, make it dey our whole country. Then just be wetin dey hard us. Why? Because many of us don deny say the country sef no be their country. They no dey go the country again because you cannot send money go the country wey be say you don run. You no fit go the country again. You no fit send money go the country. That's why you see say many people they dodge, they do different things. You understand? Because even if you no get money for the country, you dey okay. You born for this country, you dey okay. Free education. Even as me be like this now, I dey go school. I no dey pay. I go for Nigeria, I go school, but I dey go for here. You no go pay school fees. Even go Nigeria, and even for pastors, I never come for pastors. So I go do comedy for pastors. Time they come, even pastors go get school. Their member no go fit go the school. Our leaders go get school. The masses no go fit go the school. Na only them they go the school. Anybody wey wan go the school, you know say na big man pikin. When you see get connection for, you still get connection for election. You still get connection with them. And if they go to school, poor me, just go die. What this country, the value it better pass normal person. It better if you are a cripple, you be debt and all different any kind of thing where you be, the any condition where you get, they value those people pass normal person. But Nigeria, they hate all those Ibezan and all those cripple debt and all. Nigeria people hate them. And all those kind of people, Nigeria is supposed to get some things where be okay now. Maybe they pay all those people because they are suffering. They are Nigerian citizens. But the day road, they beg money, they suffer. Which is very bad. Our leaders, when we will wake up, when we will decide to say, okay, may we change things for this country. May we bring the betterness of the country, make it better. Not be only to the shout. What be una problem? Una think say una dey do us. Una no dey shame now. Una no dey shame if una come out. You as governor or president, if you come out, go like France or anywhere, una no dey shame to say I'm a president of Nigeria or I'm a governor of Edo State. Una no dey shame if una dey talk am, if una go outside, if una travel, una no dey shame to talk am. Now una no get road, water no dey, no food, but all those things naturally na we get am, but we no see am eat. People wey no get am, na dem go still use am, dem go say e don expire. So they will even carry am come here. After they do am, they will from here carry am go Nigeria. Because they call am foreign. And they vex me. Because they call am foreign for Nigeria. Our own things again. Please, my people, I beg. This channel, this program, now like this, I will suffer. They advise our people, please. The way we take vote this last vote, so we will follow like this. Who they look the right person, who they complete. I believe one day that country will better. It must better by the grace of God, especially the way that they do this election. So as everybody start say, now Obaseki, everybody will use one mind, and Obaseki go. No, they use one mind like this. If they use one mind like this, before you know what happen, who will need you will enter, who will need you will enter. Before you know what happen, you will come up for all those elderly men. You will enter for youth. We get youth when educate, when we say they educated. When you feel see, so okay now, may they bring the new things come the country. They don't gree put them for the scene now. Old people now people senior the country now they even the independent won't do now. We know say we don't even know the years when the country take again. Before we know what happen now, they will forget the years. Because they don't celebrate again. Before we know what happen now, they will forget the years when the country did. I'm not saying that the leaders first senior the country. We only live on like that. That is not life. Nigeria, I never see una na more be leaders. If I come out for normal comedy like this, why they flog una? I never insult una, just they come, just they tell people some kind things when they go for this road. And after today, I will start to do the video. How the thing they go. Because I know see this one, I know they do one for Euro people, and they do one for Nigeria people. Where people in Nigeria. When they usually hear them say, they say Europe fine, oh, they say this one, oh, they say light day, oh, they say all the offline, they say now this one as well. Now those people I want to do those video for, or they say that I will they post them so that I will they share them, make they see them. So when election they come, if all those video watch out, they say, this motor just they wash road, motor they sweep road. When they carry old women for Nigeria, they do environment, I go they sweep sasa. For express road. What is wrong with you, our leaders? What is wrong with you guys? What did they solve? What did they happen? None of it bring changes. The country now they kill them every year. What did they solve? Will they manage just to survive for the country? Please, I beg, if you watch this video, please, and if you need the betterment of Nigeria, please, if you watch this video, don't forget to share this video so that when they hear this information. And this is what I'm going to be doing this month. I'm going to be bringing is believing evidence of Europe so that our youth go dey see am. If I dey do that, I go dey do am live and direct. I go dey see wetin dey sup. I no go dey show, no be something wey be say we need for Nigeria. I go dey show am, see the way e dey, see the way dem take dey do am for Europe now. As dem dey do am for here, I go dey video am, I go dey see am live and direct. See road, the way dem dey do road wey never spoil, see the way dem take dey exchange am. Water now, no take do am, dem take see the way dem dey exchange am. Some things wey dem take say expire, I go dey show una. Tomatoes, dem take say tomato seed wey be say na we dey plant am, dey pluck am by ourselves. Tomato seed e dey expire for here. E get where dem go sell am reach, dem go come tomato seed, dem go pack am, dem go dey throway am for dustbin, dem go tell you say e don expire. Tomato seed wey we dey grind, wey be say Nigeria sef, the one wey dem dey pick for ground wey don soak, when e don make shepe, when e don dey spoil, na im Nigeria people dey even dey use pass. Na you come see say tomato don expire. Tomato dey expire for Nigeria. Dat one na life. Please, abeg, make una share this live video. Please, make una no forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Soup No Dey Reign. Please, hit the notification bell anytime when I drop video, you go dey see am. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And my comedy always drop on Sunday, Tuesday, and on Friday, like tomorrow. Tomorrow, my comedy will be dropping on YouTube. And I always drop video on my Facebook page. Please follow me, subscribe and share so that this video will dey viral. People will hear wetin I talk, all my information, they will hear, and so that they will be at alert to make them dey wait for anytime when I will dey post video. They will dey see am, wetin dey sup, how Europe be, how they take dey maintain their things, how they take dey keep am, how they take dey sell, do business. You will see something, people go dey sell with show ground, they will leave am comot. Even person go do carnival for Nigeria, go put protector, go put different key, they go still burst am. Why? Because the country dey no organize am. Money no dey, no company. If everybody dey work like the way Europe, if everybody big company, everybody dey work, dey receive better money, who wan look wetin you dey sell say go burst am? No be say we go thief no dey here. Dem make dem dey okay. Who wan thief when be say a month dem give you your money, you get house, water no be problem, light dem don dey seize am, nothing. Why you wan go thief? Wetin you wan thief? Abeg, make we go straight to the other news.